As the golden sun hovered over the tranquil waters of Kona, Hawaii, we found ourselves at a picturesque boat ramp, surrounded by palm trees swaying gently in the warm breeze. Excitement bubbled within us as we geared up for a snorkeling expedition in these pristine Hawaiian waters. With eager anticipation, we set off gliding smoothly across the shimmering sea. The rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the hull lulled us into a state of blissful relaxation. As we ventured further into the vast expanse of the ocean, our eyes were treated to a breathtaking sight. Majestic whales emerged from the depths, their immense forms gracefully breaching the surface. We watched as their colossal tails broke through the water, leaving a trail of foamy splendor in their wake. And as we continued our journey towards this snorkeling spot, we couldn't help but marvel at the magic of Kona, Hawaii, a paradise unlike any other. Arriving at Captain Cook's landing spot in the serene cove of the Big Island, Hawaii, anticipation electrified the air. With a sense of adventure pulsing through our veins, we plunged into the crystal clear waters, eager to explore the vibrant underwater world below. Descending into the depths, we were greeted by a huge wall of coral. Small schools of fish darted all around us, their iridescent scales shimmering in the sunlight, weaving intricate patterns through the azure depths. In this aquatic paradise, time seemed to slow as we immersed ourselves in the tranquility of the ocean, a testament to the unparalleled beauty of Captain Cook's first landing spot on the Big Island of Hawaii.
I've been to a lot of different coral reefs around the world.
Yeah?
I've got to say that this coral reef is pretty dead.
Yeah, it looks really bad. There's no colors.
No colors, everything's dead. The fish life, there's still a little fish, but it's not anywhere in comparison to
rain.
Other coral reefs that are out there.
Even Catalina's was a little more.
It's cold water. This is hot water.
Oh,
yeah.
Is that why?
But it's really sad. It's just like a wall of dead coral.
Being in the water has a relaxing state to it. Snorkeling all around the area, I felt at home once again in the warm, clear waters. The fish seemed at ease in the waves running along the surface, going back and forth with each sway that came through. Knowing how to swim with the sway of the waves makes the experience of snorkeling easier and pleasant to enjoy.
About 15 minutes north of Minneapolis.
Ooh.
On our way back, our boat captains drove us to different caves and sites along the coast. They pointed out all of the unique formations of cliffs and caves dotting the island's side.
Big red cliff of lava.
Captain James Cook's arrival in Hawaii in 1778 marks a significant moment in the island's history, forever altering the course of Hawaiian culture and society. Cook, a British explorer, landed on the western coast of the island of Kauai, becoming the first European to make contact with the Hawaiian Islands. His voyages were part of a larger expedition to explore the Pacific Ocean, driven by a desire to chart new territories and establish trade routes. The entire journey was amazing and very easy. It was a fun way to enjoy the day while at Kona, Hawaii.